Tech certificate no be visa to heaven. You fit still get strong plenty certificate and make you no sabi anything. Yes. You fit frame your certificate for what? Put LinkedIn badge, say certified professional. But if I ask you simple basic question now, your brain go start to dey load like say na Glow network. So today, let's talk about tech certificates for beginners. Because many people now they enter tech, and the majority of the questions why they get now say that they ask which tech certificate or which certification should I get first or should I get? Anyways, before that, na me Amos Pikings, the tech prophet. Oh yeah, they will me. You see that question? Which certificate should I get? That's a wrong question. Because you see, certification without direction, that one na expensive decoration. Now, like say you dey buy police uniform when you never decide which one you want join. Whether na police or na soldier or na lasma or na even bouncer, you never even know. Because all of them get uniform, but the work no be the same. So you know, just you wake up and say, I want certification. No. Because we'll ask you which tech. Is it software development, cybersecurity? Is it cloud computing? Is it networking or data analysis, or maybe it's even IT support, DevOps, product designer or development or UI UX? Because certificate will make sense for cybersecurity beginner, fit no make sense for front-end engineer. So before you spend your money, do like this. Calm down. Let me break it down. Number one, if you be absolute beginner, absolute patapata, start with IT foundation. If you know sabi computer basics, operating system, networking basics, troubleshooting hardware, software, command line and security basics. No go dey jump into things like cloud certification because you saw somebody on X saying cloud engineers are earning in dollar. What's it law? Anyways, a quick one. Cloud no dey float for heaven, sha. Cloud na another person computer. And if you no understand computer, network, storage, IP, all those things, DNS, operating system, cloud go humble you. For beginners who want to enter things like IT support, help desk, general IT foundation, certificates like Google IT support professional certificate or CompTIA A+, go fit make sense. Google IT support is beginner friendly, you know, and it's actually very good for people who need structured introduction. CompTIA A+, they more recognized for traditional IT support environment. But no deceive yourself, a certificate alone is not enough. As you dey learn, do practical. Open Windows settings, use Linux, understand files and permission, learn basic networking, troubleshoot real issues like real life issues, set up virtual machines, try to break things, spoil things, and then fix them. Because tech no be about I watch the videos, oh. You go make sure say you touch things well. Number two, if you like networking, face networking properly. Yes, because some people like how the internet works. If you be that kind of person, then face networking. Because maybe if you don't even hear in passing IP address and then the thing they intrigue you 1 year and what it be subnet, what it be this, what it be router, what it be switch, what it be firewall, you know those things there. Face networking. For networking beginners, you should start with networking fundamentals first. Then later, if you can look into certificates like CompTIA Network Plus or maybe even Cisco CCNA. But no, CCNA no be joke, no be play. No go they jump into CCNA because you like the way they sound. No, Cisco Certified Network Associate. You know say it's sweet. No jump inside because you like the sound of the term. Because for inside, you go see subnetting where you make grown man question in life. You get one guy, I wish I know his name. Why I see him, they teach this thing for TikTok. One TikTok live like that. Next time if I see him, I go write his name. That's what I will tell you now. The guy they try. So before CCNA, make sure say you don't understand basic networking things first. Like what be IP address. Now why they do those videos? What be subnet? Oh, I've not done subnet video. I go do them. What be gateway? What be DNS? I don't talk about DNS too. What be DHCP? I don't talk on too. What is routing? What is switching? Because if your foundation no strong, that your certificate, so it go become punishment. Number 3, if you want cybersecurity, don't start hacking first. No. Because at this one, they pay me pass. Everybody wants to become a hacker. Why? Everybody wants hoodie. Everybody one day dark room. Everybody one day in front of terminal with green text. Bro, it's more than the aesthetics. Walai. So calm down, Mr. Robot. Cybersecurity is not about hacking. Yes. Or should I say it's not only about hacking. Cybersecurity is about protecting systems. I don't tell you now many times. Detecting threats, managing risk, understanding networks properly, securing applications. controlling access, monitoring logs, even responding to incidents. If you don't understand networking, operating system, basic scripting, and security principles, ethical hacking course, so it go confuse you. Yes. You go just the type command like in, incantation from native doctor, I dey tell you. For cybersecurity beginners, start with networking basics, then Linux basics, then security fundamentals. In fact, Exploit 4 just get back to me, talk say, the academy they start in August. All of that we don't wait now no say na body they hot, now one let work. They prepare. I go soon come out with the team for them. But even me, they think of how I want take enter, make I learn for there. But men are they ready? So basic scripting, web basics. So if you consider certificate like CompTIA Security Plus, or any beginner security courses before you jump inside the advanced ones. Security Plus actually good for foundational cyber security knowledge. But no be say you go collect certificate, can't stop for there. Now waiting most people they talk say, I have CCNA, I have CCNP. Do the work, Baba do one. You don't fit do one. So build lab. Use try hack me. Use hack the box beginner rooms. Read logs, protect Linux. Make sure say you understand web security. Learn OWASP top 10. Some of them don't know what it be. In fact, if you know say na cybersecurity, they're hungry you. So I say, what is video reach this point? Pause am. Go Google OWASP security. See the way they spell am. Google am, read small, see what it be about, then come back. Olodo. Because cybersecurity without practical lab. Now motivational speaker na you they do. I dey tell you. Number 4, if you want cloud, don't start with architect's title. No. Because some people will just enter tech, they will say, I want AWS solution architect. Okay. The thing now, solution to what problem exactly? You never understand server. You don't understand networking. You don't even understand database. You never deploy one simple to do ordinary app. But you want architect cloud infrastructure. Clap for yourself, baby. You know what that mean? Maybe like say you dey boot balcony before foundation. Yeah. For cloud engineers, start with fundamentals. If you look at AWS Cloud Practitioner certificate, I been an AWS certified cloud practitioner here, or Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. That one will be AZ900, yes. Because this one's going to introduce you to concepts like compute, storage, networking, security, pricing, identity, even governance. But after that, do practical. Create cloud accounts, deploy small websites. Then don't forget to set budget alert before cloud provider use your card. They do Christmas. Create storage bucket, deploy virtual machines, understand IAM, understanding security group, understand what public and private access mean. Because class certificate without practical go still actually leave you confused, yes. And please, if you are using cloud, I take God beg you, learn billing. Because cloud, you know they forgive ignorance, so you go pay. One wrong setup like this, your money go vanish like NEPA light, straight. Number 5, if you want become software developer, let me tell you, because of my work, certification no concern you. Or let me not say that, certification no be your strong weapon. No. Because for software development, certificate no carry the same weight like portfolio. What can you do? Now inside software engineering, they work. Show us what you don't do, may we see. Now software engineering get that, what can you do? Exactly. That's why you go see person we get only secondary school, they make millions for software engineering because he can do the work. It's not about certificate. Get the point. Because nobody cares that you finish one JavaScript big course. If you know if you explain map or filter, reduce, async await, API call, form validation, and state management. So for coding part, your certificate is secondary, actually. Your main evidence na project, your GitHub, deployed app, your problem-solving skills, your code quality. You know, say I don't talk about my class. Man, just even quickly digress. I see people saying, yeah, it's too expensive, this. Or some people, the one way they shock me, but some people will come say, AI, they do the job now. I no one even tell you, number 1, the course is not for everybody. Yes, of course. People they will know the important. Number 2, go face your AI. We go see down the line, 5 years time. Go face am. I don't even want to advise you. Just go face. Make sure say you face that AI well. Oh. No look any other thing. Face that AI. Because in your mind, you thought the problem was coding. It means say there's something wrong in your mind. You thought the problem was coding. You think say the greatest software engineers are people who no code pass. Are you sure you know what? Whatever. Let's go back. So if you want front end, learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, or Vue, or any other front end framework you want face. Make sure you are building projects. If you want back end, learn Node.js. Is the most popular now in the world. If you are in Nigeria, Baba, learn Java or learn .NET. No let me they deceive you. All the people where they shout. If na back end, you are in Nigeria, you enter financial this thing. Baba, learn your Java or your .NET. So learn database, learn authentication, learn API security, then learn deployment. You don't need to learn and read the extent of DevOps, but just learn apps small. Just make sure you are building projects. If you want become full stack developer, I mean say you combine front end and back end. But I'm gonna tell you true. You know, say some people just feel say full stack to true just mean say now only front end and back end. Baba, you must know a bit of everything. That's the actual full stack. In fact, it's more about the engineering. You must touch more DevOps, you must touch more security. People don't know. That's the actual full stack. Anyways, let's move on. So build blog app for a beginning, build school portals, build marketplaces. Yes. Anyways, this video don't long reach. Watch out for part 2. Bye.